So guys, recently a new update has come on Instagram regarding profile card. So let us know what is this feature and how you can use it, and next in the video we will also know that if you are not seeing the profile card option, then how you can get it. Basically, Instagram profile card is an introduction card of your Instagram account, which will have your Instagram account's profile picture, username, bio and your account's QR code, and you can share this profile card with your friends and family so that by using it they can easily find you and add you. So to use this, you have to open your Instagram application, then tap on your Instagram profile, and here you will get the option to share your profile card. So you have to tap on it and you will see a profile card of your Instagram account, and here you will get the option to share your profile card. If you want, you can make changes in the profile card by changing your profile details, and you can download your profile card from here and share it with your friends, and if you want you can also post it on your Instagram story. And guys, if you don't get the option to share your profile card, you can also share it by tapping on the share profile option. And friends, also update your Instagram application from your Play Store or App Store to get this feature. So friends, if you have any questions, please comment on this video. Must like and subscribe to our channel to get more interesting and latest videos on social media.